how to add a PayPal button to your Elementor website. So I've just logged into Elementor and I've clicked on Edit with Elementor, which has loaded up the website editor. Now here what we need to do is we need to create a new section. I'll just select this first one and then click on the plus sign and search widget for PayPal. And you will be able to see PayPal button. Just select it, and the first thing that we'll need to do is link our PayPal account here. So just type out your PayPal email. That's going to be my email here for PayPal. And then we'll need to select the transaction type. So we have checkout, we have donation or subscription. So if I change this to donation, and here we can, we will also need to obviously change the style here and what it says. But basically for the content here, as you can see, I've set it to donation. We can change the donation amount to any amount or fixed. And we also need to change the currency here. So depending on which currency you use. For the button itself, here where it says text, for obviously if you have this as a donation button, you will change it to donate now or something like that. And then that's basically how you do it. Just make sure you publish your changes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.